Me, please get out of my way. It is I blocking me myself. There is no devil. Satan has no power over me. I am my own enemy. It is I blocking my destiny. This is less than my potential. This is less than my ability. I need to release that book about sexual purity and virginity. This is less than my potential. This is less than I could be. I'm living in the shadow of myself because of what I think people might think of me. What kind of life is this? Quiet desperation, circular frustration. The devil is a liar. I will not lose relevance in my generation. God, deliver me from myself. I am my own enemy. The devil has no power over me. I am the one blocking my destiny. God, deliver me from me. I need to take responsibility and release that book on sexual purity and virginity.